So hey everybody, this is Kristen, and I just did my first box opening of the first time I've ever ordered succulents in the mail. And these actually are cuttings, tiny, well, let's see what it says, 50 mini cuttings, colorful, drought tolerant, easy maintenance succulents, plants, and gifts. So they came today in only 3 days. I ordered them on the 13th, and today is the 16th, so that was really good. I'll have to give her a good review. And so I pulled them out of the box. Here's, this is just half of them actually. I think there's over 60 in this box. So this is a nice collection. And I'll show you the other half, all different kinds. Actually, got them on the bubble wrap here, if you can see. Lots of different kinds of succulents and sedums, I guess. So I'm really looking forward to putting those in some little pots for gifts, and some for myself too. And the receipt also included instructions. She says, get a pot that drains well, fill it with dirt, soak the dirt so that it is wet all the way through, poke holes in the dirt and stick the succulent end in securing them with the dirt. Don't water again until the dirt is dry, which will take a couple of days, and then soak as you did before and let it dry again. So, and I would probably add not just any old dirt, use a potting soil mix that's well draining. Since they are succulents, maybe add some perlite or something to it to help it drain better. And I like to put my succulents also in clay pots instead of plastic pots, because the plastic ones don't dry out as quickly. And for succulents, you want that dirt to dry out more quickly. So I am going to head over to Hobby Lobby and find some nice, cute little clay pots to put these in so I can make them for Christmas gifts. So just thought you might like to see. The name of the shop is, where is it? Simply Succulents, and it was on Etsy. And the order was for 50 mini cuttings for $35, and they were on sale actually, and because I reached the $35 limit, it was free shipping, so that was nice. And this will make a lot of gifts. So, and hopefully the ones I keep will keep growing so that I can make more babies in the future. So I'm looking forward to doing this. So have a great day, happy planting, and I'll see you on the next video.